Hi guys, I'm back. So, quick update before I start rambling. One, right after my last video, I got the flu, so that was not fun. But, I survived, stayed in bed for 5 days, and that was it. Two, my birthday weekend was amazing. I turned 21, and me and some friends went to Atlantic City and, you know, partied like it was 1999. But it was really fun and it was good. I think that's pretty much all that's been going on outside of school. Yeah, but in terms of school, I'm just gonna say that this semester has been pretty fail for me. Um, I like cannot. I think I don't think I'm in school. Like I just like I feel like I don't do anything, and it's just I'm not being very productive, and that's probably not a good thing, but it's just I've reached that point where I'm just like I just want to have some fun. um because the last two semesters were really rough, and now that it's only like half as rough, I just kind of like have slowed down to a halt, and I've just like stopped doing anything because there's not a lot to do. So that's what I'm thinking is the reason that I'm kind of like slow. So like for instance, I had a biochemistry test last Tuesday, and I didn't start studying till midnight the night before, and that included making pumpkin muffins at 2 a.m. So it's like stuff like that. Like I just don't do anything, and like I have a 5-page paper due tomorrow, and I haven't started. I wrote like 2 words, like actually wrote 2 words. It's about Artie Lang and schizophrenia, and all I've written so far is like my name, the title, and Artie Lang was a. That's it. So it's just like I cannot get focus for this semester, and I just need it to be over. And I think part of it is besides having a lot less work that I just can't get like a role, um, is physics is like killing me. And it's not that it's like necessarily hard, because there's not like I don't know, it's not really hard, I guess. It's just that like I hate hate physics. I don't understand why pre-med students or anyone who's not a physics major has to take it, because I don't care how much tension's in a rope or how much momentum a car has. Like I really don't, and I don't know why I have to know that. And sitting in that class is painful, so therefore I don't pay attention, and reading the textbook is painful and doesn't really help, so therefore I don't read it. And then I go do my homework, and I have like a physiological reaction. Like I get a headache, I get a little nauseous, and then like I just like tense up and get so frustrated with it that it's just like it just doesn't end well at all, and I just hate it so much, and I still have a whole semester after this of it. And I don't know what to do about it, because I'm like at the end of my rope when it comes to physics. I really am. I don't know what to do. So, I don't know. I guess if anyone knows a really good physics website, give it to me. Because I just don't know. So, yeah, that's my physics rant. And then my second rant is I work in an ER, and I am basically um, the person who writes down lab results and uh, radiology results and HPI and symptoms and stuff on the chart. So I'm tired of seeing people with the flu come into the ER, because we don't do anything for those people. We just kind of see you, tell you to take Motrin and go home. Well, I don't say it, I just write it down. But that's what happens, and I'm so sick of people coming in and spreading their germs, even though we give them masks, and spreading their germs and for the flu. Like, stay in bed, okay? Because it's just, I don't know why people come in sometimes. Like, if you're really, really sick, I get it. Like, I'm not against seeking medical attention. Like, that's why I want to be a doctor, you know? But, like, I don't think the ER is the place to go if you have the flu. I think your primary care doctor is the place to go if you have the flu. And if you don't have a primary care doctor, that's a whole nother story and a whole nother topic of discussion that annoys me. So, like, whatever there. But, like, if you have a primary care doctor and you have the flu, go to them if you really need to see a doctor, because we don't really want to see you. And it does actually annoy the ER doctors. If they see you have a primary care doctor and you're there with the flu, then they're not that happy. Um, just because there's so many people that need to be seen, and there's so many people that have worse things wrong with them that need medical attention, and if you get there before them, you get seen before the person, unless they come in by ambulance. And if they have something seriously wrong with them that needs more attention, then like it's just frustrating. And we're just gonna send you home with Motrin, or not even Motrin. We're just gonna tell you to go buy it in a drugstore. Like, that's it. The only reason I would say to come in if you have the flu is, like, you know, a really, really high fever, like over 102, or the symptoms aren't gone after like 5 days and they're just as bad as they were when it started, or um, if you're bleeding of any sort, like there should be no blood anywhere, or if you're like really, really in excessive pain and it's like overnight and you can't even wait to get to the doctor the next morning, like, then that's different. But, like, really just like stay in bed, drink fluids, and take some Tylenol, NyQuil, Motrin, something like that. That's really it. And this is shaking because it's on my bed. Because I have to write my paper, and if I do it at my desk, I'll never get anything done because it's not comfortable enough for me. But yeah, that's really it. That's all I have to say. I have 2 tests this week. I have my paper due tomorrow, and then I'm like free for 2 weeks. I'm so excited. I have like no assignments due besides like my biochem quizzes and my physics homework due for 2 whole weeks. So I'm taking advantage of that and working like 6 shifts, and hopefully I'll get some money because I spent a lot of it in the past couple weeks. But that's really it. So I hope you all are having a fantastic November so far. It's November 2nd. And I will talk to you all soon. Okay? Bye!